Good morning, students. To commemoration of the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, we are conducting various activities since a year. As a part of that, today I am going to give a small lecture about Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi was a great patriotic Indian. If not the greatest, he was a man of an unbelievably great personality. He certainly does not need anyone like me praising him. His efforts for Indian independence are unparalleled, most noteworthy. Now we will see his contribution and legacy. First of all, Mahatma Gandhi was a notable public figure. He was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar in the present-day Indian state of Gujarat. He followed the morals taught by his mother very strictly. When he was a lawyer in South Africa, he was insulted by the whites. However, Gandhiji did not come back to India to avoid such ill treatment. Instead, he decided to stay in South Africa and disobey the unjust laws through satyagraha, a non-violent method of agitation. He fought for 12 years against the discrimination of Indians by the British government in South Africa. The government withdrew those harsh laws. Gandhiji came back to India in 1915. On his return to India, Gandhiji went to every part of the country and was shocked to see the poverty of the Indian people and the cruelty of the British government. He decided to take an active part in the freedom movement. The movement picked up momentum with Gandhiji entry. Now, I will give the important events of the national movement. Gandhiji's contribution to the Indian freedom movement cannot be measured in words. His policies and agendas were non-violent and his words were the source of inspiration for millions. Let's look at Mahatma Gandhi's famous contributions to Indian freedom movement, Champaran movement, Kheda movement, Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement, Salt March, that means Dandi March, and Quit India movement. Gandhiji started many programs for the development of Dalits when he called Harijans God's people. He established an organization called Harijan Sevak Sangh. He stayed with them in their colonies, ate with them and performed all the tasks of cleaning and washing with them. Received the world over for his motivational philosophy of passive resistance. His role in social and political reform was instrumental. Gandhiji became a famous international figure because of these efforts. Mahatma Gandhi made significant contributions to environmental sustainability. Most noteworthy, he said that each person should consume according to his needs. Furthermore, this model of sustainability current by Gandhi holds huge relevance in current India. Socialism is yet another contribution of Gandhi. His belief was that no religion should have a monopoly on the truth. Mahatma Gandhi certainly encouraged friendship between different religions. Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence is probably his most important contribution. This philosophy of non-violence is known as Ahimsa, most noteworthy. Gandhiji was to seek independence without violence. The United Nations has greatly honored Mahatma Gandhi. United Nations has made 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence. In conclusion, Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest political icons ever, most noteworthy. Indians revere by describing him as the father of the nation. His name is certainly remain immortal for all generations. We cherish him and we need to pursue his standards / had been an extraordinary man in India, in Indian history. Jai Hind. Thank you.